Everybody, quick stop over bago tayo mag-laps. I just need to buy buy wipes. 100% pure. Hamza, offer our coffee tomorrow. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Sweet kaya to? Sweet. Sweet but not bugbog. This sweet? Mag-green-green eh. No. Bugbog siya. At sweet, not, hindi kaya ito maasim. Parang maasim, kuya. Wait lang. I trust my instinct. Okay, this to. Mukhang okay naman na to. No, this one. This one okay. Only one. Egg. Oh yeah, egg. Only one. Isa lang naman kasi ayaw nila. Bumili ako ng mangga nakaraan. I bought 3 mangoes the last time. No one ate it because I forgot. Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Toretto here. So for the video, good luck po para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Can I do later? After food, okay? After food, Hey everybody, we have arrived on our next destination. So this is the next part of the vlog. As you can see, like, at my back, it's like a busy street. Naghanap talaga kami ng yung talagang mukhang masarap. And this is what they recommended. So, let's go. Pakita lang natin na konti yung mga ganap. I think this is lamb. Ang init. Ay, Koy, ganda yung hinahanap kong pagkain talaga yung mga ganyan. Let's do this. Excited ako. Where's I'm not used not seeing him now. I'm used to be with him now. I don't know what I will say, but this is what I wanted.
Listen to me.
Can we go inside? It's okay. Okay. Serving a little. Where's the food? Huh? You can get right from my What 20? How much is this?
Dapat so de. 2K.
Huh?
2K. Da mutton din.
Ay, ito yung masarap niluto. Mula tayo. Sorry, nagugulo tayo. Okay, kaya tayo manggulo dito. Pag nakikita kong crush yung pagkain, nawawalan ako ng gana. But let's go, let's do it. The chicken curry is okay?
Yes, the chicken curry is okay.
But don't make it too much spicy. Diba? Kasi may sakit pa yung tiyan ko, pag mag-ano ako, kapag nag-ano kami, maanghang, baka hindi na naman makisama tong tiyan ko. Nagkakagulo sila. Bigla na lang ako sa tabi nyo na nga muna ako. Kala kong ganda. Pangu naman ako. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Say hello. I'm good. Thank you. Shukriya. Ay, ang kita mga ba? Ay, tumakbo. Ang kit pa naman. Hi. Hello. Kamukha ng kapitbahay ko, sa Swabi. Yung magpipinsan. Yung ano, buy one, take one. Ang saya, no? Sabi niya ako daw Dati. Ay, hindi pa na. Paano? Kailangan sa taba. Ayun.
How are you?
Good. Ano to, Bip? Sorry. Nagkatrabaho ako. Chika ako ng chika.
He's calling you. Come there.
Good. Thank you. Good. Approve. Beef. Mutton dog. They have beef pulaw. May beef pulaw sila. Ang sarap.
They do palaw, katala ko.
Sarap. Brother, I want Ang saya, no? Gusto ko yan. Thank you. Kaya, baka matusok ako. Parang kitang bagets sa kaido. Tell him to do it again. Wag ka. Why they do that?
Yeah, it's I think a Japanese tradition.
Yeah, but Japanese, but why?
They just
What
see it
happened?
in the cartoons.
I'm speaking English. What's your name?
My name is Rehan.
Ah, okay. How old are you? 8. Nice meeting you. Do you live here? Do you live here? Here live. Okay, yes na siya. Just say hi. Hello. Oh, what's this? What's
WhatsApp app
Huh?
or YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. YouTube. TikTok first, TikTok. Can you say like and subscribe? Like? Ay, ito magaling natin. Galing.
What is your name?
All together.
What is
Kay
your
Toretto.
एक साथ बोल रहे हैं
Kay Toretto.
एक साथ बोल
name?
रहे हैं
Yes, ang cute nito oh. 1 ek dotin. Subscribe. Nauto yung mga bagets. Syukriya. Inuto yung mga bata.
तो कुछ तो करता है ना बंदा अच्छा चाइनीज तो बोलो
这是什么？这是这种不，这
अच्छा
种不吃手，这我了解吧？真的。地形，这个现在。这种不吃手，哎，这个。
सारे बोल दो सब्सक्राइब इकट्ठा
Subscribe, like, and follow.
O yung mga bagets oh, naglalapitan. Ganyan talaga yung mga patan eh, oh. Patan. Jadun. Patan. Oh, mga patan, oh. Mga batang patan. Pagtandaan nyo, huwag kayo manloloko, ah. Chares. Chares lang.
Teacher,
Say hi in
hi.
Mandarin, Chinese.
Teacher,
What else you say? What else you can say?
लंबी पूरी बात करो ना
teacher, हाँ. Zaman yung Rehan de.
Ay, may pa-reservation naman pala kaming naganap bigla. Nag-CR lang ako pagbalik ko, dahil naka-reserve na, may reservations na naganap agad. Kakaloka. Salam. Where? Here. Okay, syukriya. I forgot my water in the where is he? Oy, I think gusto ko. Yung nakaupo dito. Hi everybody, so far I am really enjoying this episode, the episode 6 of my K Toretto Pakistan season 2, episode 6. I'm really enjoying it right now. Ang saya nitong araw na to. I think this is really gonna be like one of my best episodes. So if you like this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-share nyo na rin, please naman. Nagmamakaawa na, diba? I-share nyo naman. Salam. Salam. Philippine. Kamusta ka? Philippines. Hoy everybody, the food has arrived. Shukriya. Ayan na. Hinuli pa. Kayo na ko pag gusto to eh. Kayo na ko pag gusto hingin tong ano. Uy! Ay! How will I show this? Ay, ito na yung food. Chicken karay. Freshly cooked. Yan, that. Amazing. Hi everybody, look at the naan. They don't have roti, but this is okay also. At wag na wag mong kakalimutan ang mga yogurt. Hindi pwedeng nawawala ito. Yeah, can I help them? What's happening? Yeah, they can put if they like. Sure. Ano to? Bakit? Ano ba to? Tikman nga natin. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Umayaw. Raulo, di ba? Pareho lang siya. Yala, let's eat. Tara, kumain na tayo. Eat. Can I put this here? It's okay? It's okay. Oh, for the food is food din, kumain tayo. Saya nito. Pagod ako sa araw na to, pero ito yung magandang episode. Na-excite talaga ako i-release to. So, let's go. We are gonna go home. Kung ganun yung nagsiserve. Araw-araw kang kumain dito. Bye. Hoy everybody, we are... Ang sakit ng ganito ko. Thank you, syukriya. Ang sakit ng paa ko. May pilay ako eh. Tapos na yung effect ng ibuprofen. Where did you get your sleepers? Ang ano ko, di ba? Ay, different shoes now. Ready for hiking. Ay, yung security ko. May ano na siya, may hiking shoes na siya. Yung shoes niyang gamit for the last 2 days kasi ano, parang rubber shoes lang na, alam mo yung mga parang ano, leather. Nag-hiking siya, mami. 2 beses. Ngayon naka-military shoes na siya. I love that. Hoy, tingnan mo yung nakadilaw sa likod ko, mami. Kita ba? Mami, kita ba? O, tingnan mo yung nakadilaw sa likod ko. Mami, kung ganyan yung may-ari ng restaurant, kumain ka araw-araw. Thank you! Shukriya! Yung taray naman talaga. May pa-thank yung ganon. Thank you! Everybody, that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope that you were able to have... You enjoyed it as much as I did. So, basta alam ko itong episode na to is a good and successful episode. Again, I'm closing my vlog here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. This is Kay Toretto. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Bye and ingat kayo. Kay Toretto, bye-bye. Everybody, it's a bonus clip for today's video. So we're visiting my cameraman's house. Tapos yung cameraman mo, nakamansyon. Ang ganda naman ng bahay ninyo. Who opens it?
Yeah.
Salam. Hoy, tignan mo yung bahay nila. Tignan mo yung bahay nila. Ay. Assalamualaikum. Hoy, tignan mo yung bahay. Diyos ko, day. Yayamanin, mami. Saan ako pinagdadala ng mga Pakistani na to eh? Sama naman ako ng sama, diba? Ayun yung nakakatawa eh. Yung sama ka naman ng sama. Grabe yung trust ko sa mga Pakistani, no? Tinatanong din ng mga tao, yun, lakas ang loob mo, no? Sama ka ng sama. Salam. Kya hari?
Shake hand, Roshi. No? Okay, shake.
Not in the mood.
Yeah, not in the mood.
Not in the mood.
Yeah.
Where did you get Frosty though?
New people.
Was it given to you or what?
Yeah, it was a gift.
No. I hope I still had my old dog's picture.
Roshi, no.
So we're visiting Hamza's dog. That's the reason why we are here. Huy. Grabe yung bahay ng mga Pakistani. I was saying that the house of Pakistaners are like so amazing. Grabe yung bahay nila.
I'm very happy.
Hoy, what you're seeing right now, of course, is the Pathan's family's hospitality. I am so shy right now because like there are women inside and it's like the first ever formal meetup with Pathan women right now. But unfortunately, of course, I will not be able to show that. But I cannot explain like the feeling that I have right now. It's unbelievable. So yeah, asosyahan ng kanilang hospitality. Thank you so much. Really, shukriya. This is too much.
Oh, come on, it's not.
Thank you.
It's a very short
Notice.
notice, actually.
I am very fine. Thank you for your hospitality. Really, so much. It's too much.
It's not nothing so special.
Oh no, this is so special.
No, it's not.
Really special. I appreciate everything.
It's your
Everything.
kindness.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Just a small gesture.
With a gift. So this is like a Pathan culture. If you visit, like, I'm so shy right now, to be honest. Really, really, really shy. Hoy, it's a clothes. I'll keep this for sure.
And something very special inside.
I think I know this.
It's our traditional thing.
Yeah?
It's an embroidery.
Uh-huh.
It's very traditional. See? These are the arms you can use in anything.
Yeah. Hoy.
It's very traditional.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to keep this with me for sure.
It's with the hands. It's on khadi.
Yeah,
It's a special thing.
Embroidered something.
Yeah.
Embroidered, yeah?
Yeah, handcrafted.
Handcrafted.
Yeah, he's right.
I'll keep this for sure. Thank you very much.
Oh, no.
Appreciate.
Don't mention. Thank you.
Thank you. Cool. I'm so shy. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. This is too much. Hi everybody. So I'm back inside the car. So that was like kind of, I don't know, very like mesmerizing, amazing moment to be able to see like Pathan women inside their house. Okay, take note. They know what I am. They know, okay? They were informed. And to be able to shake a hand with, like, officially with a Pathan woman, that was just so amazing. Ang saya lang nitong experience na to. Like, this is, this episode is really like one of the best. And sorry if bonus clip na to is mahaba, but it's worth it. So I think that's exactly what you're gonna feel. What you saw earlier, I was so shy, but it was exactly, I think, the same. I don't know, because I know that, I'm not a girl. So to be able to experience that, so that's just amazing. Yun na yun, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa araw na to sa may dadaan na kotse. Sa pinagagagawa ko, and I'm just so overwhelmed right now, okay? That's exactly what I kind of feeling right now. But again, sana nag-enjoy kayo. That whole experience was amazing. And it's like kind of once in a lifetime experience. Because even in Swabi, I was not able to like formally meet Pathan women. Though I get to see them, they get to say hi to me when no other people is around. But yeah. Ayun na yun, babay na kay Toretto. Ipinapractice ko, umiiyak ako kanina sa loob. Medyo naiyak ako kanina sa kwentuhan namin kasi ang saya. Tapos na-overwhelm nga ako. Paano yun? Okay, yun, sige na, babay na. Babay na. Wala na ako masabi. Bye-bye.